Hi, this is April, and this is
Carla,
my sister, and we're going to do an unboxing video today. She actually has a box that I have never heard about, and she's going to tell us about it.
it's a skincare box. It's called, how do you say your name?
I think it's called Saranghae. It's Korean for...
Means I love you.
Yeah, Korean for I love you.
It's a Korean skincare box that I've tried.
So how much is it?
A lot.
How much?
But it goes a long way, actually. I don't remember. You'd have to look online. Here goes Saranghae.
This is how much it is when we figured it out. This here. Okay.
But what it comes in, so
wait, we have to like go like this.
Oh, okay.
And then we have to like smile next to it. We go. She's gonna open it, and what's in here?
Okay, so when you open it, there's a little quote. It says every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite. I don't know if there's a different quote every box or if it's the same quote. I don't know.
So you get this every month?
Well, you can put it on like a frequency that you'd like.
Okay.
Mine's like pretty long. I can't remember right now though. So it comes with, they call it an elemental essence mask. I think there's 4 or 6 because there's one for each week. You use this every week. And it looks like this.
So there are just like different kinds of masks that come in there. So this one in particular is a moisture mask. Oh, cool. It has hyaluronic acid and CoQ10. I just started taking CoQ10. Inside, it's a little bit of love, it says. We'll see about that. All right. What else is in here?
So when you open it.
Whoa, that looks cute.
It looks like, oh, there's more.
Whoops.
Sorry, the mask is from my old box.
So these are the actual, these are the masks that come in here. How many is that? 6.
There's 6 in there.
There's 6. Are they all the same masks?
Yes.
Okay, elemental essence mask.
And then it comes with this little card, and it talks about what the ingredients are on their stuff. So it says they're derived from rare and powerful Asian botanicals that grew in nutrient-rich volcanic soil in the island of Jeju, South Korea. So there's mushroom, ginseng, CoQ10, hyaluronic acid. So this is a 5-step system. Okay, so the first one is the cleanser. So this is step number 1, which is an oil and foam cleanser.
So the way you show it to the camera is you go like this and you put your palm behind it. So you go. So this is the first thing. That's the first step, is the cleanser. This is really nice packaging actually. So this is the oil and foam cleanser. That's the first step. And then what's the next step?
Is a serum. It says this is designed to penetrate your outer dermal layer and, well, it's a serum, so. So it looks like this.
The Saranghae Deep Radiance Essence and Serum has antioxidants, amino acids, and vitamins directly to your living cells.
It looks like this.
Nice. All right, and then what's the next step?
And then after the serum is your moisturizer, I like to say.
This one?
Is that one, yeah.
Ooh.
So it's called Firm and Lift Regeneration Cream. It's supposed to moisturize, hydrate, and rejuvenate. Like that. It's this thing, and it comes with a little spatula that you can use. And then the 4th step is an eye cream. So it just said Focus Renewal Eye Cream. And it looks just like the serum, but smaller. Right there.
So we're gonna do this right now. We're gonna do all of this. What are we doing?
You have to wash your face.
Okay, we're gonna wash your face first.
With the cleanser. So we gotta do the cleanser first.
So we're gonna both wash our face and we're gonna be back.
No, you can just do it right now. Well, wash your hands. You can just do it right here. Because you actually, I think you're supposed to put it on, you're supposed to put it on dry.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. Okay, we have to wash
face should be dry. Oh.
Yeah. And it's a makeup remover also because it's got like the oil and stuff. It's really pretty
Okay, so we're gonna wash our hands and then wash our face.
So it says you need to, face should be dry. Use dry hands to pump 3 to 4 times and spread evenly and massage over entire face. Careful to dissolve makeup. I just like to put it on my fingertips.
I've got makeup
1,
on,
2,
so
3. Sure. 4.
Okay, I'm gonna look like a hot mess right now.
Okay, so I just do this, and you just.
Should I just not wash my eyes?
Yeah.
Or should I do that?
It feels good.
Okay, I'm doing my eyes. I'm gonna look like a raccoon right now. It's just gonna,
okay.
That's what's gonna happen.
Okay, and then it says,
And what?
wet your hands, then gently massage your face 1 more time to create foams, and then rinse with lukewarm water.
Okay, crap. I need to take this mic off. I can't see shit. Oh my god.
It's okay. After this, you don't have to wash your face anymore.
Oh my god.
Okay. Don't trip over.
We're gonna be right back.
Yeah.
Okay, so we did that.
Now the next step is the serum. So this says, I'll just have the directions. Well, anyway, I just like to pop 2 on my finger.
Can this go in your eye?
No. Well, you put it on your whole face. See, and then I just dab it, and then just kind of the same thing where you just. Yeah.
Smells good. Smells like lemon pledge.
Oh my gosh. I don't know what that your face.
But probably doesn't feel like lemon pledge.
And then after that is the moisturizing cream. So
do we put the mask at all?
Yeah, well, see, so technically when you put the mask, you don't have to put this one.
Do we put the eye cream first or this first?
This one first.
Okay, so we put this cream first.
Yeah, and I really don't even do that much, like this much.
This much?
You have the spatula, but I don't know. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, same thing.
We're putting on the moisturizer now.
Yeah.
This feels nice.
Yeah. You look like you're glowing.
Yeah.
And then you do the eye cream. The only thing that's about this that doesn't have is sunscreen.
Okay, so you need to get your own sunscreen.
Yeah. So then, and this one, I just like, a pump is a lot actually, and I just put it on my finger.
Yeah.
And then, here. Yeah. And then, just dab it. Okay. So technically you're done.
Okay, cool. We're done with our face.
And you're supposed to do that morning and night. I like to use it, like it does help like take your makeup off really fast. But we can go ahead and put the mask on.
Okay, we're gonna put the masks on because why not?
And this one you're only supposed to, I mean not only, you can use it as much as you want, but it recommends you use it once a week. It says we all need to, it's a vacation for your skin. It's very moisturizing. It's more just moisturizing, I think. So normally, it just says the cleanser and then you put this on.
It says do not wash your face after application. So
that's kind of why when I use this, I don't really put that the cream on because it's already because you kind of massage it in there. Oh my gosh.
this is when your teeth come in handy.
Okay. So I always, well, you know how to do this. Like this.
Oops.
Oh, if I'm too low.
How do I look?
Good. Oh, you didn't undo the nose.
Uh-oh, my nose is...
Oh, someone's coming. Oh my God, what are you doing?
You want to join us in our face masking? This is Kim. We just roped her into. I think Sassy farted.
No, what does that smell?
I think she.
Oh, she probably just farted. I don't see anything.
I smell dog fart.
Go up there and pick something up.
Weirdo. We're probably scared to poop out of her.
So just open it up. Yeah.
I'm
There.
gonna go downstairs and scare everybody.
We should. And then you just go. Okay.
Hey Siri,
Time it like 18 to 20 minutes.
set a timer for 18 minutes.
Yeah.
One possibility I see is D'Amore's Pizza, which averages 3 stars and is moderately priced.
I don't want pizza. How do you feel?
Refreshed. I don't know. So now we can take it off. Right?
Okay.
So just take it from the top. Usually it dries up quicker, but I think because we're at the beach, you can store it
The
away.
beach, it's so wet here.
Just put it. And then, like, if there's extra, you just kind of. But yeah. Pretty much you're done. If it was daytime, I'd put some sunscreen on.
But it's gonna be nighttime soon, so we are not.
Yeah.
And then you don't have to wash after you take off the mask, so you just leave us like this, and you are refreshed. And don't
It
let
feels
the,
very
the
cool.
dogs eat your mask.
Hi, Sassy. No. What did you think? You're the one that's tried it for the first time.
I feel moisturized. I feel wet in the face.
Maybe it helps because, like, where I live, it's very dry.
Yes.
Really dry.
Yes.
Because it doesn't. It's usually like not this wet when I'm done.
That's what
Like,
I was all
the
like. I
heck?
think this is supposed to be drier
Yeah.
by the time we're done, but it's very wet here already.
It's not usually this wet. It's a little. I mean, it's not dry, but it's not wet.
You can still wring that out. You should put it on your hands.
I like those.
Ooh, that's a good idea.
Here, because this is where people forget to sunscreen. When I'm done, I don't wipe anything off on the towel. I always try to
Just put everything.
dry it. It dried up a little bit now. I was fanning myself.
All right, Kim, what do you think?
It feels still wet, so we're gonna. Oh, but it does feel very refreshing.
Yeah, even refreshing.
Oh, I feel
Wet.
Yeah, I feel wet, but that's the moisturizer.
That's a wrap. We're gonna go now.
Bye.
Okay, bye.